Saturday. Today the puppies turned 4 weeks old. Well, actually it was yesterday. They had turned 4 weeks old. Last week Leanne started them on a diet of hard dog food. Of course she would soak it in water, make it a little bit softer, more chewable for them. But they're getting so big. They're getting huge, as a matter of fact. When we go in there, we call them out, they come running with their tails wagging. Yeah, and I still want to keep one. There's one that I'd really like to keep. But we have enough puppies, don't we, baby? Babe, don't we have enough puppies?
No.
She's so busy filming. I don't know what she's filming, but she's filming something. Well, enjoy the puppy show. Everybody, good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Here's my baby right here. Here's my baby. Comes to me.
Who's this? Oh, the dog.
Good morning, everybody. Hey, I'm over here. I'm over here now. Hey, everybody. Hey, everybody. Hey, everybody. Hello, everybody. Good morning. Oh, there's number 7, number 9. Hello, little sweetheart. Hello, little sweetheart. Oh, look at this. Look at this. That in the background is the goats. Keep the male goats separated. They seem to be in rut 24/7. I think Willow's adopted him too. Wow, look at that.
Which one? Yours?
Yes.
That's my little one.
Yeah. This is pretty amazing, right? Hello, everybody. Hey, guys, got you all here. How's your baby? How's my baby?
That's your boy. Heck,
Sunday morning.
that's not a nipple.
What's up, girls?
Can you get a picture?
Little girl. Hey, sweetheart, is he being mean to you? Was he being mean to you?